The world's biggest megaprojects are all staggering in scale, complexity, and budget. Airports, canals, dams, and high-speed rail lines make up many of these megaprojects. So in this video, we are going to talk about the biggest megaprojects world records. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Intel Arizona Semiconductor Plants. Another semiconductor facility. If the previous section about the semiconductor plant in Texas was not enough foreshadowing, there is a desperate need for the world to keep up with semiconductor demand. America is well positioned to become a global leader in production with state-of-the-art facilities popping up like weeds. The United States has broken ground and can expect 2 new semiconductor facilities close to Intel's Chandler, Arizona campus. The facility will take 2 years to build and will require around-the-clock work to ensure the deadlines proposed are met. Set to open in 2024, these facilities will bring 3,000 construction jobs and 3,000 Intel employees and create an additional 15,000 indirect jobs in the local communities surrounding Chandler. The project is expected to be 670,000 square feet once completed and will be 3 times larger than Intel's old facility in Arizona. With Intel's existing campus and connection to Arizona, this project solidifies Intel as one of the largest employers in the state, already taking top honors for the largest employer in Chandler. Before we move on, support us by hitting subscribe and the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Now let's get back to our topic. Plant Vogtle, Units 3 and 4. Georgia Power's Plant Vogtle Units 3 and 4 will be the first new nuclear units built in the United States in more than 3 decades, using the Westinghouse AP1000 Advanced Pressurized Water Reactor technology, prioritizing safety and quality. Once complete, the 4 Vogtle units in Waynesboro, Georgia, will produce enough clean, safe, reliable, and affordable energy to power 1 million Georgia homes and businesses. A diverse fuel mix, including nuclear, is essential to maintaining a reliable and affordable energy infrastructure that attracts new investment, supports economic growth, and creates jobs. With more than 7,000 workers on site and more than 800 permanent jobs available once the units begin operating, Vogtle 3 and 4 is currently the largest jobs-producing construction project in the state of Georgia. Significant progress continues to be made at the Vogtle 3 and 4 nuclear expansion site, with Unit 3 direct construction approximately 99% complete and the total project approximately 96% complete. Georgia Power currently projects a Unit 3 in-service date in the first quarter of 2023. Unit 4 is projected to be complete in either the 3rd or 4th quarter of 2023. On October 13, 2022, Plant Vogtle Unit 3 reactor core began fuel load. The fuel load process marks a historic and pivotal milestone toward the startup and commercial operation of the first new nuclear units to be built in the U.S. in more than 3 decades. During fuel load, nuclear technicians and operators from Westinghouse and Southern Nuclear are scheduled to safely transfer 157 fuel assemblies one by one from the Unit 3 spent fuel pool to the Unit 3 reactor core in the coming days. California High-Speed Rail. The California High-Speed Rail is among the most ambitious infrastructure augmentation and construction projects of the 21st century in the United States. The effort to construct an 800-mile high-speed rail track connecting California's 2 largest metropolises through mountainous terrain presents a series of mega-projects including tunnels and massive viaducts. The 2008 California High-Speed Rail Authority business plan estimated the project to have a final cost of $33 billion and to complete the entire length of the first segment, including track and stations, from San Francisco to Los Angeles. The state now focuses on completing a 119-mile segment between Bakersfield and Merced, with no future date determined for the completion of the entire line and a pay-as-you-go approach. These budget delays and schedule overruns have become characterizing and divisive features of the proposed system. This paper endeavors to understand through in-depth research the policies and project management techniques that have contributed to high-speed rail in California's current state and to generate substantial hindsight to prevent recurrence in future public infrastructure projects. California High-Speed Rail was originally specified to provide service to 30 stations between San Francisco and Los Angeles with an estimated 42 to 68 million passengers per year. be operational in 2020, and cost over $33 billion to build. So that's it. Please like, share, and comment your thoughts below if you liked this video. Remember to subscribe to see our next video. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.